Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make yogurt bubble donuts. And if you want to see how I made this, watch this video till the end. Don't skip any part of this video. So to start, without wasting much time, I'm going to add liquid warm milk in my large mixing bowl. I'll add white sugar. Next, I'm going to add my instant active yeast. Then I'll go ahead to use my whisk to mix everything together. And next, I'm going to go ahead to sieve my flour. And don't forget to always sieve your flour before using it. This helps to remove any unwanted particles in it and also remove any lumps in case if your flour is having lumps. Then next, I'm going to go ahead to add salt, and after that I'll use my spatula to start mixing. So after I mix the batter with my whisk for a few minutes, I'll go ahead to add the beat egg, add my yogurt and also my melted butter. After I'm done adding them, I'll go ahead to continue mixing it. So while mixing your batter, if you find it to be too watery, you can go ahead to add in more flour like I'm doing in this video. So after adding in the flour, I'm going to continue mixing until I get a perfect batter for my donuts. So finally, I'm done mixing my batter now. As you can see, the batter is not too watery and also not too thick. So next thing I'm going to do is to cover with a cling film. Then I will let it rest for about 1 hour or more. So 1 hour later, I'm going to go ahead to transfer the batter into my piping bag. Then I'll place an instant dried pan on the heat, add some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up. After that, I'm going to go ahead to start adding the batter. So guys, in case you are not comfortable using a piping bag to add your batter, you can also use your hand to scoop in your batter in your oil, but I suggest you use a piping bag. It helps to give the donut a nice shape. So after I'm done adding the batter, I will let it fry until it starts turning golden brown. Once it starts turning golden brown, I'm going to go ahead to use a fork to flip it so that the both sides can fry. One more thing guys, make sure your oil is hot enough before you start adding your batter, and once you start adding the batter, reduce the heat to prevent your donut from turning golden brown outside while the inside is still uncooked. And also make sure you stir with your spatula or your sieve continuously to prevent your donuts from burning. So after my donut turn golden brown, I'm going to go ahead to take them off the heat with my sieve. Then go ahead and place them on your kitchen towel, and after that repeat the same process with the remaining batter. So next I'm going to go ahead to coat my fried donuts in sugar while it's still hot, or you can go ahead to serve your donuts straight away. So guys, as you can see now, my bubble yogurt donut is ready now. And please, if you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe after watching this video, and also like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.